Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Today I'm going to show you how I made this miniature dollhouse bathroom. The layout is the same as our real life bathroom and I created a miniature version of it that I would prefer. I'm not going to redecorate it in real life, but it's fun to think about. If you want to see what our bathroom actually looks like, you can follow Fun and Craft on Instagram. I just posted a reel comparing real life and miniature version. And if you would like to have access to exclusive content and support me and my channel, you can join my Patreon community. I mainly used foamboard, paperboard and balsa wood for this project. If you want to know all of the materials, I listed them in the info box underneath this video, as well as links to the tutorials for items I reused for this video, like miniature bathroom items.